Yo, Sam, why in the world is Korean so hard, man?
Tyrone, what do you mean?
Well, I'm sure you and I can agree that Korean is way harder than English. Like, I'm trying to study this language, and it's just impossible.
Well, here's the thing, Tyrone. I do agree that Korean is harder, but why do you find it so difficult?
Well, every single word just has so many meanings, you know what I mean?
Go on.
Well, for instance, take a look at this word, 정자. Now, why in the world is 정자 a resting place? And then another meaning of 정자 is, 정자 right there. And then another meaning is electricity. I'm confused.
Yeah, Tyrone, I think you are confused, especially with that word 정자 and 전자. But anyway, I get what you mean, man.
You feel me, right, Sam? And that is why it's just impossible for me to learn this language. Why can't it just be like English? Just so much easier.
Well, I think that's a little bit unfair to say. English words also have different meanings.
What are you talking about?
Well, hear me out. What about the word crack?
You mean crack cocaine? Sam, I think you've been reading too many of those YG drug scandal articles, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, that's true. I have. But you know what? That's exactly my point. Crack has so many meanings other than crack cocaine.
Well, now that I think of it, you do make a point. It does mean damage or some sort of sound like cracking your knuckles.
Exactly my point. And as you are cracking your knuckles, that motion is also showing that you're ready to do something, right? And then you could say a sentence like, let me take a crack at it, which simply means, let me try, or let me give it a shot.
Sam, okay, you know what? You crack me up, man. But I can't argue against that. You're absolutely right.
Dude, you just said another crack word. You crack me up.
Oh, dang, that's crazy. You caught me red-handed.
Right, and that's another very good use of the word crack. You crack me up simply means you're hilarious or you're outrageous.
All right, Sam, all right, you got me.
Wait, what, Tyrone? You're giving up on this fight that easily? What are you, on crack or something?
Whoa, Sam, you're using that word crack again in another way. That's crazy, dude.
Yeah, I know. I thought I'd give it a shot. Are you on crack? I think this is a very good sentence because it simply means you're ridiculous or, oh, come on.
Wow, Sam, you know what? After our conversation today, I have to complain less about how hard Korean is and simply suck it up.
Dude, I know where you're coming from. Anyway, yo, you wanna go for some Mickey D's? Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. What is up, everyone? I hope you enjoyed today's English shower conversation video. We just went over many different terms and expressions, all thanks to BI of YG Entertainment. This news is all over Korea right now. It's just blowing up like crazy. Anyway, let me know what expression you like the best in the comments below. Smash that like button, and I'll see you next time. Boom!